Good afternoon. My name is Carlos Moore. I'm here along with the members of the Shumpert family to announce today to the City of Tupelo officials that the 72 hours have elapsed. You were given a fast and hard deadline to come in good conscience, in good faith, and negotiate with me on behalf of the Shumpert family. You missed your opportunity to do this the easy way. We have filed a federal lawsuit in the Northern District of Mississippi in the Aberdeen Division demanding $35 million. We are suing the City of Tupelo, Mayor Jason Shelton, the Chief of Police, and Tyler Cook, as well as 10 John Does who have yet to be identified. We are doing this because we are serious about justice for the family of Antoine Shumpert. You see, shortly after 9:30 p.m. on Saturday, June the 18th, Ronnie Shumpert and Charles Foster set out to go to a local store in Tupelo to buy a shirt for a party that they were going to have with their teammates. And some officer from Tupelo Police Department flashed their lights, and Shumpert pulled over Foster's vehicle and fled from the police. The police had not identified him, and they ran after someone whom they had not identified with a K9, and within 10 minutes, this man's body was mutilated and he was shot 4 to 5 times. To my left, behind me, is the mother of Ronnie. She worked and toiled to raise those kids. Had support of her brother. She did all she could to raise those children, the twins and that son, and to have his life taken by the police at such a young age. It is inhumane. And I would do my level best, as long as there's breath in my body, to make sure that no one, no other mother, no other wife, no other brothers and sisters, no other children have to suffer the loss of their loved one at the hands of someone sworn to protect and serve. The city should be concerned about unifying this community. This community is fractured, it is torn because of this death at the hands of a police officer. The civil suit should settle sooner than later. The criminal suit or the criminal proceedings can take their course and they can be drawn out, but this family deserves justice sooner than later. Their loved one was killed within 10 minutes of coming in contact with the police. So why can't they settle within 10 minutes of coming in contact with the family and their attorney? Yours truly.
What is the latest on the investigation right now?
Right now, the investigation is pretty much completed. What we're doing right now is waiting on some lab reports to be completed. The tissue samples, the blood work, the body fluids that have been submitted for analysis have been submitted to the State Crime Lab Toxicology Division, and we're waiting for results of the toxicology to come back.
Do you have a sense for a timeline on when it might be?
The crime lab is they've been very, very busy, and so what we've done, we've actually made a phone call and asked them to help expedite things and to move it along because of the nature of this particular case. Hopefully that we will see something maybe within the next 3 to 4 weeks. And if we could get it that soon, then we will probably be ready to present, our MBI will be ready to present this to the grand jury.
What can you tell as far as the status the officer, I guess, is on paid leave while it plays out, or how does that?
Yeah. No, we immediately put the officer on administrative leave with pay. He remains on administrative leave until this case has been presented to a grand jury, and the grand jury decides whether or not he either to indict him or whether to hand down a no true bill. Now, when I say a no true bill, that means that they did not find any fault that the officer may have done, and so they release him from any criminal charges at that point.